So those 3 days that you missed of practicing, I forgot. What was that?
Overnight camp.
Right. Where was it?
On Bangor Island.
That was indoor camp, right?
And
What?
so it was kind of like we got up at 7 each morning and like we would be outside.
But you were sleeping inside.
Yeah.
In camp. Right. Like I said, otherwise it's really
Crazy.
cold. Exactly. But still, you were spending quite a bit of time outdoors, right? Yeah. All right. So let's see. So page 4, theory. Oh, that's kind of matching.
Yeah.
Look at this.
I
know. Page 4. So circle the lower one. Good. Very good. Correct. You already said, okay, that was my question. Okay, first syndrome moves flat. Okay. So, and we're not having lesson on Wednesday.
Because of your journey.
Yeah, because of that, right? So Wednesday no lesson. That means that next time I see will be a week and a half.
Yeah.
Okay. Please remember, right? Yeah. So did you remember that there's no lesson on Wednesday?
Actually, I did forget.
Okay, so that's why I'm reminding. No lesson on Wednesday.
Okay.
This coming Wednesday, and then we're gonna resume the following Wednesday, and there's gonna be one more week when we're gonna miss lesson. That's gonna be the week of April 13th through 18th. That whole entire week I'm not teaching. That's actually when you have your spring break. I'm not sure though. I'm not sure when it's spring break for Mercer Island. Yeah, I think that's the week when there's no school. Yeah. Are you gonna be here during spring break?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but anyway, that week I'm not teaching at all. Okay, the entire week. So I'm running competition. So I have to be there morning till night for entire week, 6 days. Okay, so write things down. So today is
the 28th. The last day of February. It's not a week.
Yeah. Okay, so you have starting from today. March. I need to get used to March. So Noah's on 4th. That's Wednesday. That's it. Because 11th is right. Look, it's perfect. Right between this. So you still have a little bit over a week. So that's theory, page 5. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So let's see what we have to do here. So you write the sum of this into this one. I'm not sure what in order. So they still want you to write note. Yeah, so the note. Because some of those are rest, but you need to write the note that is equal. Yeah. Here you write rest that has the same amount of beats as this one. We will do this during the class. I might ask you to do 2 pages. I don't know. Yeah, because it's not super difficult, right? So we're gonna do page 5, and then this one you circle the one that has larger value, and then here's page 6. Yeah, also it's not that difficult. Rewrite the given note on the other stuff. Both notes must be the same key on the keyboard. Okay. So do you understand how to do that?
Yes.
Okay. fact, the intervals and major scales divided. So what you do here, name the interval below. Either second, third, sixth, seventh, and major interval. Oh, okay. Yeah, we get to the point when we actually start talking about this. Either so there's a group of two groups of intervals. So we'll take a C major scale as an example, and we start from interval second. So we start from second. So it's major, major, perfect, perfect, major, major, perfect, perfect. And this one we're not familiar with. We call this prime. We won't have exactly the same note. So technically it's interval two. So from interval second, major, interval third, major, interval fourth, perfect, interval fifth, perfect. Then it's major, interval seventh, major, perfect, and this is perfect. Okay. So just keep that in mind, and that will help you to identify that. So they're not offering this kind of explanation, but it's just going to be so much easier for you if you follow that. Okay. So if it's third, it's
major.
If it's fifth,
it's perfect.
So just kind of follow it. Okay. Right here we've done that before. Tonic, dominant, subdominant, right? So it's for this major, and then right here, well, questions about this, and then here you need to write down what kind of major it is with a certain amount of sharps. Okay. So you'll do 2 pages, page 5 and page 6. Okay. Okay. So sonata, 45, 44, and rondo. Right. Okay. So yeah, at some point we'll need to make a decision what you'll be playing for recital. So and the next time I see will be the 11th of March. So we have 11th, 18th, and 20 something. So we need to make a decision. What are you leaning towards?
I haven't put like a lot of thought to it, I think, but
let's play sonata and we'll see how close it is for being ready. Because our recital is actually 4 weeks away. Okay.
Do you mind helping me raise the chair, please?
It's too low? Can you sit? I want to see. Yeah. Better. Good? All right. So let's play sonata, beginning to the end. So it's fully memorized, right?
Yeah.
And the tempo? Is this the one or we had 138, 32, either one? Yeah. I mean, it's not that much of a difference. It's still kind of on a slower side. I think I've heard something correct here. I think it was A flat. I want to make sure that we check that. But possibly something else. Okay, we'll check that. It's not bad. It's a couple of things here and there. Also, you missed this G flat. Maybe it was one time thing. Maybe not. My main thing that I marked down a couple of times here and there is sometimes when you, especially when you're playing across, you're playing or you're holding so we need all those tomorrows. Okay. So we need to check this, and we're gonna try probably faster a little bit because that's what we kind of be aiming for. Can you go over section 18? The way you always play. Don't try to fix anything right now. I think the rest doesn't work correctly, though you need to hold it. So, this A flat, 100%. You're playing A natural. Okay, that's the one. So this note for sure, and then holding this one. Okay. And then this one I marked down, even though you were aware of that, right? Can we check this and just see if it's a one-time thing? Now you played note incorrect notes and stuff, so. Yeah, I did not mark any of this, but some of those also were so all those tomorrows should be there, okay? So this was fine, but the resolution there was not clear. And let's just kind of throw this. Okay, so let's see if we can get to faster tempo from 132. That's kind of the final tempo. Let's see if we can do that, because I think you're ready, but you need to take those things into consideration, like still resolutions, all of it. Okay. Very good. You need to get used to understand it, right? Okay. How does it feel?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Can you start from section 4? Or just this ending yabadi? By the way, I don't know if I mentioned before, you need to know your starting point. Do you know what I mean by starting point?
Yeah.
We've done that before, right?
you can like say section 9 and then I have to play section 9.
Right.
And then section 2.
Exactly. So at any time, right? So we need 4 right now without music in front of you, but right now we can't start. Do you hear that? Let's see if it's still. That's already a little bit slower. So let's see what maybe we should get to. Maybe 152 to be a little bit more reasonable. 152 or 160. I don't think we need faster on this. Let's say around that. 152. Yeah, we're not gonna go that. That is a little bit kind of on the faster side. Okay. Okay, go on. Trying not to eliminate the things that we worked on, like this one, singing left hand, right? Because we don't. And then this one singing. So we have kind of singing mode here. Okay. This is the closer. Yeah. Okay. All right. So I think that it was a little bit really. Yeah, it was a bit slow. So try to get to around 150 to 160. It's not that difficult. I thought it would be harder, but it's actually not that difficult for you. Okay. How do you like playing this tempo?
It's not that bad actually. Like it's not like I'm stressing. I think I can do it.
I actually thought you were gonna say it's fun.
It is kind of fun, but it's a little bit stressed out on this part.
On this part? Okay. Okay. So I think that that's doable, and this. So now I'm kind of leaning towards this one for recital.
Okay. I think I can do that. Actually, it sounds fun.
It's fun. Yes, right. So I like it because this one is a little bit more advanced than Haydn. And you played that one for a very long time. However, if you feel like you really want to play rondo, I can't say no to that. Yeah. Okay. So so think about this because now you're playing this up to tempo, and I like where it's going. You can still add more contrast, like when we have piano, could make it more jumpy. Though it was nice. It's just where was it? I thought like, oh, that crescendo could be a little bit more. No, no, that's not dynamic. Those are shaping. Where do we have crescendo? Right here. Like this one could be more. Okay, little things like this, but nothing really major. Where else, do we have anywhere else crescendo?
Like here.
Yeah, so that maybe this crescendo. Yeah, so two crescendos could be a little bit more.
Okay.
Your pianos work fine. Okay, so just maybe crescendos. Okay.
Um,
So let's write things down. Do you still need to practice in slower tempo, or this is it?
yeah, I think this is it.
No, we do need to
Just
practice in slower tempo.
write like also the 132 for the log.
Yeah, or even a little bit slower. So I'd like you to have two very different tempos.
100.
Probably, yeah. So practice two.
100.
So sonata. Um. So your new tempo. So it's already 8 note, right?
Yeah.
So this is like 152 to 160 is a final, and the other tempo to practice is 100. Okay. All the dynamics. Also check tomorrow's, right?
And then
Fix some mistakes. Well, fix all of them. Then fix mistakes, and then crescendos.
crescendo.
We'll have two of them.
Yeah.
And return down at the end. Yeah, because most of the things are pretty good. Let me write down. Okay, so you are 11?
Yeah.
Let's see. Sonata. What else? What other information does it have?
In F minor.
Can you open it?
First.
Sonata. Minor. It says first movement?
Yeah.
Carl Philippe Romero?
Yeah.
No, usually it's actually just this. I mean, we can. Okay, sometimes it's with the E, sometimes it's just the E. All right. Yeah, I like it.
Okay.
I like it. All right. Yeah, I wasn't sure if that's gonna work, but it looks like it will. Okay, that's good. Okay. I like the energy. I like your touch. So yeah. All right. Let me check your turning. So we have 45 and 44, right? Both by memory, right?
Yeah. Here is
44, right? We didn't have any specific tempo, right? It just says faster, right? Okay, so we're done with this one. $45. Also no specific tempo. play it faster. Because it says allegro, vivace, right? So it's kind of fast and lively. We're gonna just experiment and see. So, and as we get to faster tempo, we kind of, because this is actually one of the things that many young musicians kind of make mistake with. When we're trying to play faster, we start like, oh, I need to be faster, and then we create tension. Where in reality, it needs to be the other way around. So truly let go and let the fingers do, because we work hard when we're playing in medium and slow tempo, and when we get to fast tempo, we just let go. So all the preparation done is in slower and medium tempo. So when we play fast, at least we're trying. Just kind of let it go. Yeah, so trust your fingers. Let's see. Let go. Let's